The road ahead, seeking solutions to reducing food additives. Title: The road ahead, seeking solutions to reducing food additives. Introduction. In our rapidly evolving society, concerns about food additives have become increasingly prevalent. Consumers are demanding natural, healthier options, leading to a growing interest in reducing the essence of food additives in our daily diets. This article explores the current state of food additives, their potential health risks, and the ongoing efforts and potential solutions in reducing their use. Understanding food additives. Food additives are substances added to food during production to enhance its flavor, appearance, texture, or shelf life. They can be naturally occurring or synthetically produced. While some food additives are harmless, others pose potential risks to human health, causing allergic reactions, disrupting hormone balance, or contributing to chronic diseases. Common types of food additives include preservatives, sweeteners, flavors, colors, emulsifiers, stabilizers, and thickeners. Artificial colors, such as FD and C red number 40 and yellow number 5, have been linked to hyperactivity in children. High fructose corn syrup, a common sweetener, has been associated with an increased risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. Health concerns and consumer awareness. The increasing awareness regarding the potential health risks posed by food additives has led to a demand for more transparent labeling and stricter regulations. Consumers are becoming more conscious about the ingredients in their food and are actively looking for natural alternatives to avoid harmful additives. Furthermore, some individuals may be more susceptible to adverse reactions from food additives, such as those with food allergies or sensitivities. It is important to address these concerns and find sustainable solutions that meet the diverse dietary needs of all individuals. Regulatory efforts and food labeling. Governments around the world have recognized the need for stricter regulations and improved transparency regarding food additives. Food labeling regulations also require manufacturers to list the additives used in their products. However, the challenge lies in deciphering the complex names and codes associated with food additive, making it difficult for consumers to make informed choices. To address this issue, there have been calls for simplified labeling systems that clearly indicate the presence and nature of additives. Ensuring greater transparency and consumer understanding. Exploring natural alternatives. As consumer demand for healthier options continues to rise, the food industry must innovate and explore natural alternatives to traditional additives. There is a growing interest in using plant-based ingredients, such as herbs, spices, and extracts, to enhance flavor and prolong shelf life. Natural sweeteners, like stevia and maple syrup, are gaining popularity as a healthier substitute for artificial sweeteners. Moreover, technological advancements are paving the way for the development of innovative processes that can help preserve food without the use of harmful additives. High-pressure processing and modified atmosphere packaging are examples of such techniques, which extend the shelf life of products while ensuring food safety. Encouraging sustainable food production. Reducing food additives also involves adopting sustainable practices throughout the food production chain. This includes promoting organic farming methods that minimize the need for synthetic additive. Supporting regenerative agriculture that focuses on soil health and reducing food waste. By investing in research and development, farmers and food producers can find new ways to ensure the safety and quality of food without resorting to additives. Emphasizing sustainable practices benefit. It's both human health and the environment, as well as meeting consumer demands for more natural and wholesome food options. Consumer education and awareness. Empowering consumers with knowledge about food additives and their potential risks is crucial in driving change. Education campaigns, public forums, and online resources can help consumers make informed choices and understand the importance of reducing excessive use of additives in their diets. Open dialogue on this issue can lead to the development of shared goals and solutions for reducing food additives. Achieving a 1,586 word count means adding another 1,014 words to the content. Here is the continuation. Ongoing research and development. Ongoing research and development play a crucial role in finding innovative solutions for reducing food additives. Scientists and food technologists are constantly exploring new methods and technology to produce safer and healthier food products. One area of research focuses on finding natural antimicrobial agents that can replace synthetic preservatives. For example, essential oils derived from plants such as oregano and cinnamon have shown promising antimicrobial properties and could be used to extend the shelf life of food products. Another promising avenue of research involves utilizing bacteria and yeast strains to produce natural flavor enhancers. These microorganisms can be genetically modified to produce specific flavor compounds, eliminating the need for artificial flavors while still providing the desired taste. In addition to these efforts, novel processing techniques, such as pulsed electric fields and cold plasma, are being explored to eliminate or minimize the need for chemical additives. These technologies work by applying high-voltage pulses or electrical discharges to the food, effectively reducing microbial contamination and increasing product safety. International collaboration and standardization. Reducing food additives requires international collaboration and standardization. As the food industry becomes increasingly globalized, it is essential to establish consistent standards and regulation across borders. International organizations, such as the Codex Alimentarius Commission, work to develop guidelines and harmonize food standards worldwide. These efforts ensure that consumers receive consistent and accurate information about food additives, regardless of their location. Collaborative research projects between countries can also facilitate knowledge sharing and promote the development of innovative solutions. By pooling resources and expertise, researchers can excel. Rate progress in reducing food additives and improving food safety globally. The role of consumer demand. Ultimately, consumer demand is one of the driving forces behind the reduction of food additives. As individuals become more aware of the potential health risks associated with certain additives, they are demanding safer and healthier food options. Food companies are responding to this demand by reformulating their products to remove or reduce the use of artificial additives. In many cases, companies are actively promoting their products as additive-free or clean label to attract health-conscious consumers. However, consumer demand alone is not enough. It is important for consumers to continue educating themselves about food additives and make informed choices. By reading labels, conducting research, and supporting brands that align with their values, individuals can contribute to the shift towards additive-free food.